Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you Java through cricket. Okay, so I have my main class here. Okay, now I'll declare my cricketer class. Okay, I'll declare instance attributes like name of the cricketer, age of the cricketer, and the number of innings he has played, the number of times he was not out, number of runs scored by him, and finally average of the cricketer. And wait a minute, I'll add one more static attribute. Okay, so this will actually give me the actual number of innings. Okay, so this innings is the number of times the player was there, went there to bat, okay, on the field, and this is the number of times he got not out. Okay, so this actual innings is the total number of innings minus the number of times the player was not out. Okay, so now that I've declared all my attributes, I'll declare the constructor. Okay, I'll initialize all the variables. Okay, string name, int age, int innings, int not out, runs. Okay, so I have to initialize the variables. Okay, so I'll do that first. I'll initialize all the variables. Okay, now that I have initialized all my variables, instance attributes, okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the average of the batsman. Okay, how much this average, I'm going to calculate the average of the batsman. Okay, average runs scored by him, I mean. So for that, what I need to do is I need to first find out the number of actual innings played by the batsman. Okay, so this I'll write it as innings equal to this dot innings minus this dot not out. As I already told you, number of actual innings played by the batsman equal to number of total innings minus the number of times the player was not out. Okay, now if I need to calculate the average, this dot average equals what? The total number of runs, okay, divided by the actual innings played by the batsman. Okay, now I'll return I'm sorry for the typo. I'll return the average. Okay, so now I've implemented the average method. Okay, now that we are set to go, I'll just create a new instance, a new object. Okay, for that I'll write cricketer player1 equal to new cricketer. I'm going to create the object of the class. Okay, I'll pass certain values here. Okay, what all values do I need to pass? I'll take the example of Virat Kohli. Okay, this information you can get it from ESPN Cricket Info. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the actual innings played by Virat Kohli. I'll just write Virat. Okay, how old is he? 28 years old. Okay, number of innings 168, number of times he's not out 25. Okay, now number of runs scored by him is 7570. Okay, and so I will call the one dot get average method. Okay, and I'll declare a static mm, double here. Okay, store new average of the batsman. Okay, it will store the average of the batsman, new average. Okay, so I'll keep it as new average equals, and then in the next step I'll try to print the average. You could have avoided one step, but I just included this variable here. Otherwise also you can just write it like that. Within println you can just try to call the method. Okay, so this is basically it, and if I need to create a new player I can do that. Okay, I'll type in someone like Dhoni. Okay, I'll give it as 35, and I'll give this is just an example. If you want you can go to quick info, you can just get all the values there. Okay, so I'll just find out what are the averages of these batsmen. Okay, there's some error. Okay, player 1 is already defined. I'm going to create player 2. Sorry. Verify 20. I've passed all the. Now I'll run the program. As you can see, Virat Kohli, the average is 52. If I need to cross check, yes, it's 52 for Virat Kohli. You can see average as 52. Okay, and for this Dhoni, I've just included the values, just random values, so the average was 50 given. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos daily. Thanks for watching.